In Kingsbridge March Day, we're going to be working on the section that starts at measure 27. For violas and cellos and basses, we're going to be working with some of our lowest notes. And for violas and cellos, I've got the C string notes up here. You can see them pictured with the viola finger numbers above, and for cello down here and the cello finger numbers below. Please feel free to look at this chart to help you out. If you're going to write anything in, please write the letter names and not the finger numbers right now. We're going to start on the last note of measure 26 and play up to the first note of measure 29. Violas and cellos, take a look and notice you go from G string down to C string. And then all the rest of these notes, at least right here, are on the G string. So let's set ourselves up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time, just that set of notes. We've got that jump down to C string and then back up. Start with a push bow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now viola cello, we're going to start at 29, and it is a C on the G string, and then you go down to G and then E on the C string and then D. If you can't remember which fingers are which, use that chart behind me. Cellos, your stuff is down on the bottom, violas up on the top. So here we are at 29. Set up that C. Think about where your E is when we have to cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. C, G, E, D. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's put that together, end of 26, all the way over to end of 30. Push bow to start, so set your bow at the halfway point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over to E. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're counting in your head. I'm trying to nod my head to help keep track of the beat, but tapping your foot or using an ab crunch would be great. Starting again, end of 26. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's check out measure 33 because this combination of notes can be interesting also. I want you to take 30 seconds and try to figure out the letter names. Violas and cellos can use the chart behind me. Okay, it's E, C, D, and then A. Okay, let's put our fingers on there and let's pizzicato those notes. Again, it's E, C, D, and A, but make sure you're playing the correct one, the low ones for violoncellos. 3, 4, E, C, D, over to A. Let's do that again. 3, 4, E, C, D, C, A. Now let's try it with the bow. 3, 4. One more time. E, C, 3, 4. Hopefully they won't be quite so much of a surprise this time. Now we're going to start at 26 and we're going to go down to the end of measure 35 and see if we can put this all together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at measure 36. It starts on a G and jumps up to a C. I'm going to demonstrate. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Really try to count those 3 count notes in your head. Keep track by tapping your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that together. If you didn't already join me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, up to C. Back to C. 1, 2, 3. It's sometimes challenging to get all those fingers for the C down right away. One more time. G, being ready with the C. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Over to C. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do measure 38 and 39 into measure 40. So 38 starts on a G, then goes over to E, back to G, A, over to E, and D. So if you haven't memorized that E yet on the C string for violoncello, make sure. This is a perfect opportunity to memorize it. So measure 38. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go again at 38. Lots of string crossings and counting. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to play starting at 36 and do that whole line. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, over to the E. 1, 2, E. 1, 2, over to D string. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go back to 26 and play all the way to the end of 42. Try to look ahead to anticipate the C string notes. 1, 2, 3.